You must have had some good times with him. Can't have been all bad, cause we talk about him so much. Can we let go? Got a new love, but you don't know. Fixated on the bad things he did. He ain't gonna come back. I'm trying to make it so you don't think that your new boo would ever do things.
Today I'm going to show you what's inside the exhaust of Pulsar RS200, the external exhaust. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to open that. There are 8 screws, as you can see. So 3 of them are on the top, like there's a 1, 2 and 3. 2 on the inner side, 1 and 2, and 3 on the backward side, 1, 2 and 3. So you just have to open all of these screws, and then you just have to put the black portion out first of all. Then you can see the exhaust. After that, you have to open both of the silver shells, 1 and then the 2, and it's locked inside, so you just have to open it up. So that's how the exhaust looks after opening. The pipe comes through here, and there's a bit of silencing stuff in there, and here's the output. So that's all what's inside the RS200 exhaust. That may be same for all of the models that contains a catalytic converter. The sound does not change much when you get this thing off, because it's just a little bit of the sound depression things in that, which will just decrease the bass and not a lot of sound. So I just got that off, and the sound is almost same. A bit bass has increased, but the rest everything is same.
How you ever gonna see a future if you're looking in the past? Make a decision and make the right one. In case you wasn't listening, I'ma just repeat it until you realize that I'm the right one. How you ever gonna